Hello, my name is Bill Zhu. I'm the product manager for Christie Hedra. Hedra is a multi-user KVM processor, so it can take up to 27 HDMI inputs plus IP inputs and display them on a video wall or on a desktop with KVM control. So I can have layout, and any window I can control. If I double click, has a green arrow, I double click on it, now I can control that window. Just like a PC operating there. Very good user experience. To leave this KVM mode, I just click outside the window. Let's say if I want to control this source, I can easily switch over, right? So I can consolidate a number of monitors into one single monitor and have better visual awareness. So for more information, please visit christiedigital.com. Thank you.